Thinking about switching to Moka Bank? Wondering if it's going to cost you a dime? Well, let's dive right into it. Is Moka Bank really free to use? Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're breaking down one of the most frequently asked questions about Moka Bank. Is it truly free? We'll explore the nitty-gritty details, from basic account maintenance to advanced features. Core functionality, a free ride. The good news is, the core functionalities of Moka Bank are indeed free. This includes account opening. Setting up an account with Moka Bank is a breeze and won't cost you a penny. Fund transfers. Whether you're sending money to friends, family, or businesses, Moka Bank's transfer services are typically free. Bill payments. Pay your bills directly from your Moka Bank account without incurring any additional charges. Cardless withdrawals. Enjoy the convenience of withdrawing cash from ATMs without a physical card, often free of charge. Premium features, where costs might incur. While the core functionalities are free, Moka Bank offers premium features that might come with a fee. These features are designed to enhance your banking experience and provide additional benefits. Here are a few examples. Moka Invest. If you're interested in investing, Moka Invest might have certain fees associated with specific investment options. Moka Loans. If you opt for a loan, you'll likely be charged interest and other fees, similar to traditional banks. Foreign exchange. While Moka Bank might offer competitive exchange rates, there could be fees associated with foreign currency transactions. Hidden costs. The fine print. It's always a good idea to read the terms and conditions carefully. While Moka Bank is generally free to use, there might be hidden costs or fees that you should be aware of. These could include inactivity fees. If your account remains inactive for a certain period, Moka Bank might charge a small fee. Overdraft fees. If you withdraw more money than your account balance, you may be subject to overdraft fees. ATM fees. While cardless withdrawals are often free, using third-party ATMs might incur fees. The verdict, a cost-effective banking solution. Overall, Moka Bank is a cost-effective banking solution that offers a wide range of features and services. By understanding the core functionalities and potential fees associated with premium features, you can make informed decisions about how to use your Moka Bank account. Additional tips. Stay informed. Keep an eye on Moka Bank's website and app for any updates on fees and charges. Utilize free features. Take advantage of the free features like fund transfers, bill payments, and cardless withdrawals. Read the fine print. Before using any premium feature, carefully review the terms and conditions to avoid unexpected fees. Moka Bank offers a compelling proposition for those seeking a convenient and affordable banking experience. By understanding the free and premium features, as well as the potential hidden costs, you can maximize the benefits of your Moka Bank account. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.